Hello, a very good afternoon to all. Welcome to all of you on my channel Saraswati Vigyan classes. Dear friends, this is my first video on YouTube channel. I hope you like it. Firstly, I would like to give my introduction. My name is Upasna Kawa and we shall discuss NCERT book from 6th to 10th class in this channel and some general science question for HP TET, especially for medical. Now, I have made this channel especially for my child due to this epidemic corona disease because it is not possible for us to go school to take the classes. I shall be very happy if my knowledge can helpful to someone other persons. So without wasting our time, let's start. Today I am here with 10th class science first lesson. As you firstly I suggest you, if you want to take proper knowledge from my content, I request all of you to take pen and notebook and note down the important concepts. Firstly, beta, before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you what do we mean by chemical. I hope you have heard about it. Chemical means rasayan, as you have seen in chemistry bio lab. And beta, to form new compound, chemicals combine and break up. Okay, and for this they have to react with each other, and this is known as chemical reaction. And to write that reaction in form of symbol is known as equation, and this is the name of your first lesson, that is chemical reaction and equations. Before starting the lessons, let's discuss some definition regarding the lesson. First definition is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is simple beta. It is a process in which one or more substance react to form new substance. Let's take the example from our day-to-day life. You have seen curd, formation from milk, digestion of food, rusting in iron article, etc. This is some example of chemical reactions. Next, there are different type of chemical reactions. First है combination reactions. Combination mean combine करना, मिलना. The reaction in which one or more reactant combine to form product is called combination reaction. Here a word came, that is reactant. Reactant mean the substances, elements which are in the left side are called reactant. Mean things which are reacting with each other are called reactant. And reactant in equation always written on the left hand side. And what they form is called product, and it is written on right hand side. For example, beta, burning of coal have carbon plus oxygen कंबाइन या मेक्स, जो एरो है उसको क्या पढ़ोगे, मेक्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अब आई हैव रिटन हियर SG. S mean solid, G mean gas. Sometimes there is AQ, aqueous. Aqueous mean which is not so much solid, not so much liquid, aqueous form. Getting me, beta? Now next, thermal decomposition reaction. When decomposition mean टूटना, breakdown, takes place in the presence of heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. Next beta, example, calcium carbonate, when we heat it, delta या ट्राइंगल, जो हीट के लिए आप क्या लिखते हो बेटा, ट्राइंगल. When calcium carbonate heat, it break down to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. What is this? This is beta reactant and this is product. Next है electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic, from its name it is clear that reaction will take place in the presence of electricity. Decomposition is carried out by passing electricity. Okay, example है, when we pass electrical current in water, it form H2, hydrogen gas and oxygen. Getting me beta? Next है displacement reaction. But a displacement, from its displacement mean विस्थापन. You can note down its meaning in Hindi also beta. The reaction in which more active element displace less reactive element from its solution is called displacement reaction. For example beta, here two students are sitting, A and B. Next plus C, three students, yeah, three elements, whatever you want to understand. Now C takes the place of B and it will form AC and B goes out. Mean this C is replacing B. Okay, getting me? Example देख लेते हैं. But आयरन, फेरस क्या होता है, आयरन लोहा. इफ वी एड आयरन नेल इन द कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन, कॉपर सल्फेट इज व्हाट, इट इज बेटा salt. It is sky blue color salt in the lab. Where if we make its solution and add iron in it, it will form ferrous sulfate. Mean beta ferrous is replacing what, copper, and copper will get free out. मतलब, are you understand? This is displacement reactions. Another example, zinc. Zinc is Zn and H2SO4 is, you all know, that is sulfuric acid and it will form zinc sulfate. Zinc किसको डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है, शाबाश, हाइड्रोजन को. ओके, एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज्ड आउट. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नेक्स्ट बेटा, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. फ्रॉम इट्स नेम इट इज क्लियर. Double displacement mean here two ions will exchange their position with one another. You can note down a reaction in which new compound are formed by mutual exchange of ion between two compound. Mean two compound के बीच में mutual exchange of ion will takes place. Getting me? Nice. Example, Na2SO4, that is बेटा सोडियम सल्फेट. इसको आप नेमिंग देना आपको, यू कैन गिव नेमिंग इट इफ यू नो द नेम ऑफ एलिमेंट. नेम करना आपको आना चाहिए। दिस इज सोडियम सल्फेट है, दिस इज प्लस बेरियम क्लोराइड, इट मेक्स बेरियम सल्फेट प्लस NaCl, that is, what is this? That is sodium chloride. नेक्स्ट है डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन। डीकम्पोजिशन मेन रिएक्शन इन विच डीकम्पोजिशन टेक्स प्लेस। मेन डिकम्पोज मतलब विघटन, टूटना, विघटन होना। ओके, एग्जाम्पल वी हैव सीन अर्लियर, दैट इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, व्हेन वी हीटेड इट decompose to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next definition we will discuss in next video. I hope you understand it. Let's revise the topic. The name of the lesson was chemical reaction and equations. And what we have learned today? We have learned today some type of chemical reactions like displacement, double displacement, thermal decomposition reactions. But I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, I request you to like my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you find any difficulty, you can give me notification. Thank you and have a nice day. Good night.